What is going on, guys? It's Cortex here. I hate to say that I've recorded this probably 5 or 6 times, and I had to re-record it a couple times because, audio cutting out, and then I realized that I actually turned my microphone off, so I had to re-record it again after that. So hopefully this time it turns out fine. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can list your NFTs on OpenSea without any gas prices, absolutely free. So let's just get into the video. I'm tired of recording this. Okay, so first off, you guys want to go to OpenSea. Make sure your wallet is linked to your OpenSea account. Can be MetaMask, Coinbase, whatever wallet you use that is available on OpenSea. So after you do that, make sure you hit create. Go ahead and choose the NFT you guys want to upload. Now, if you guys want to mass upload NFTs, say you created like 10,000 of them, you guys are going to need smart contracts for that, or you're going to have to manually upload all 10,000. If you guys want to learn how to do the smart contracts and upload them, kind of all at once, then let me know in the comments, and I'll look into it, and I'll, see how much people actually want it, because I'm not going to make a video if nobody wants, to watch it. So, if you guys want to, just comment down, or want to know how to do that, just comment down below, and let me know. Anyway, once you select the NFT you want, go ahead and choose your name. I'm just going to do video, because I'm going to delete this whenever I upload it, because it's not my NFT. I don't want it to stay up. Your description, your external links, if you guys want that. If you're doing a collection, put it in a collection. And your properties, honestly, your properties are really important. Make sure, if you want them to sell, make sure you're selecting properties. Because a lot of people actually pay attention to properties and what they're buying because they want to, go for the more rare items. Say, say you created 10,000 NFTs and 50 of your NFTs have blue glasses. They're most likely going to go for the ones that are more rare and have more blue glasses. Unless there's just other ones that look really cool and they want those, So really do pay attention to your properties. Other than that, your supply, always keep that at 1. Unless you have another reason, but really it should only be 1, because anything more than 1 just makes it, less unique, and that just turns people off. If I'm looking to buy an NFT, I want to be the only one to own that unique NFT, because that's what makes it valuable. Any more of the same copy, it just lowers its value. So I really suggest just doing 1 and doing a mass amount of different unique NFTs. So yeah, make sure for your blockchain you hit Polygon. If you do Ethereum, you're gonna have to pay the gas fee. Nothing to do about it, nothing to go around. You have to do Polygon if you want to do it 100% free. So after you do that, go ahead and create, and boom, your NFT is created. Now, for a brief second, I'm going to go ahead and talk about what this NFT here is. And it's actually a project that I'm working on. I am working on my own NFT project with a couple of people, and we've been working on it for a couple of days now, or maybe a little bit longer than that, but we're going to be working on it in the next couple of weeks. And whenever it is complete, I'll make sure to upload a video, and I'm really excited about it. Keep your eyes open if you might be interested. If you're really interested in NFTs, keep your eyes open. Anyway, I'm really excited about that. But yeah, let's get back. To sell it, it's created now. You want to go ahead and hit sell. If it doesn't direct you to this page, which it should, you want to go to your profile up here, and it should be listed right there. If not, it'll take a couple seconds to load, so just be patient, but it should take you right to this, and you can just go immediately over to sell. Like I said, guys, if you want to upload a mass amount of NFTs, say you created 10,000, you're going to need smart contracts. If you don't know how to do that already, just comment down below if you want to know how, and I will make a video. Anyway, go ahead and hit sell. I'm pretty sure you can do any amount here. I haven't tried. I always set mine at usually 1, but I would just set it at 1 unless you have really high hopes for your NFT. one just means, you know, I think they could just buy it at one, but you know they could bid anything below, so it's whatever. Your more options. You can choose how long you want it to be listed for, whether you want it to be listed for 6 months, 3 days, 1 day, a week, whatever you want it to be listed for. If you guys want to do that. Anyway, there is a 2.5% service fee once you sell your NFT. So there's no $150 to $200 gas fee before you list it, and you know, you don't even know if you're gonna make your money back once you sell your NFT. So at least the fee is after you sold the product and you already made money. So 2.5%, it's whatever, you know. You still made your money off your NFT, and sure, it's, you know, 2.5%, but it's better than paying $150 to $200 for every NFT you list. Anyway, after that, you want to hit complete listing, and you want to go ahead and sign that, and that's all you have to do. I think there's another thing you have to sign, but I already did that, so that's it. And now it is listed, and people can, you know, offer on it, whatever. If you want to, you know, cancel the listing, you can do that. But that's really it. Like I said, guys, if there's any videos you guys want to see, whether it's OpenSea with NFTs or just anything about cryptocurrency, make sure to drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace, guys.